Okay, so that was just knitting needle going through a water bottle. Okay, from Lego crossbow. Let's just pull this out. And it's emptying out on this side, as you can see. It is squirting out water. So let's shoot it again. Okay, there it is again. There we go. Out the other end. Yeah. That is the power of my crossbow. So now it has 4 holes, one on each side. So yeah, this is very deadly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.